Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Gifted Children and Learning.
First 14 to 17 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the statements have been taken.
First question is a reference to the influence of the domestic background on the gifted child. Gifted child पे domestic background का असर. This statement has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. A very close positive relationship was found when children's IQ scores were compared with their home educational provision. Next question is, reference to what can be lost if learners are given too much guidance. अगर सीखने वाले को ज़्यादा गाइडेंस दी जाए तो क्या खो सकता है? This statement has been taken from paragraph D. Let's see in the paragraph. Conversely, teachers who have a tendency to overdirect can diminish their gifted pupils' learning autonomy. उनकी learning autonomy कम हो सकती है. Next question is a reference to the damaging effects of anxiety. Anxiety के कौन से damaging effects होते हैं? This statement has been taken from paragraph F. Let's see in the paragraph. Fear, for example, can limit the development of curiosity, which is a strong force in scientific advance, because it motivates problem-solving behavior.
Fear के कारण curiosity की development कम हो जाती है.
Next question is, examples of classroom techniques which favor socially disadvantaged children. Classroom की ऐसी टेक्निक जो socially disadvantaged children के लिए अच्छी होती हैं. Socially disadvantaged का मतलब जिन्हें समाज के सारे फायदे नहीं मिल पाते. This statement has been taken from paragraph D. Let's see in the paragraph. There are quite a number of new methods which can help, such as child-initiated learning, ability peer tutoring, etc. Such practices have been found to be particularly useful for bright children from deprived areas. Deprived areas वो होते हैं जहाँ पूरी सुविधाएं नहीं होती. Next 18 to 22 questions are to match the statements with list of people. First statement is, less time can be spent on exercises with gifted pupils who produce accurate work. Gifted people के साथ कोई कम करने में समय कम लगता है क्योंकि वो accurate work करते हैं. This statement is of Shore and Kanevsky. Let's see in the paragraph. Shore and Kanevsky, 1993, put the instructor's problem succinctly. If they, the gifted, merely think more quickly, then we need only teach more quickly. Next statement is, self-reliance is a valuable tool that helps gifted students reach their goals. Self-reliance से gifted children अपने goal तक पहुंच पाते हैं. This statement is of Simonton. Let's see in the paragraph. Simonton 1988 brought him to the conclusion that above a certain high level, characteristics such as independence seem to contribute more to reaching the highest levels of expertise than intellectual skills. Next statement is, gifted children know how to channel their feelings to assist their learning. Gifted children जानते हैं कि उन्हें अपनी feelings को किस तरह learning के लिए use करना है. This statement is of Burkhardt. Let's see in the paragraph. In Burkhardt's 1991 review of emotion in the learning of very high IQ and highly achieving children, she found emotional forces in harness. They were not only curious, but often had a strong desire to control their environment, improve their learning efficiency, and increase their own learning resources.
Next statement is, the very gifted child benefits from appropriate support from close relatives.
जो ज़्यादा गिफ्टेड चाइल्ड होते हैं वो अपने नज़दीकी रिलेटिव से अप्रोप्रिएट सपोर्ट लेते हैं. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑफ फ्रीमन. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. Freeman 2010, the higher the child's IQ scores, especially over IQ 130, the better the quality of their educational backup, measured in terms of reported verbal interactions with parents, number of books and activities in their homes. Next statement is, really successful students have learned a considerable amount about their subject. जो सही मायने में सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उन्होंने अपने सब्जेक्ट के बारे में काफ़ी सीखा होता है.
This statement is of Elshout. Let's see in the paragraph.
Individuals who know a great deal about a specific domain will achieve at a higher level than those who do not. Elshout 1995. Next 23 to 26 questions are to complete the sentences by using no more than 2 words. First question is, one study found a strong connection between children's IQ and the availability of dash and dash at home. बच्चों के IQ का घर की इन चीजों से strong connection होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. The higher the children's IQ scores, especially over IQ 130, the better the quality of their educational backup, measured in terms of reported verbal interactions with parents, number of books and activities in their homes. So its answer is books and activities. Next question is, children of average ability seem to need more direction from teachers because they do not have dash. एवरेज एबिलिटी के बच्चों को टीचर्स की ज़्यादा डायरेक्शंस की ज़रूरत होती है क्योंकि उनके पास ये चीज़ नहीं होती. Let's see in the paragraph. There appears to be a qualitative difference in the way the intellectually highly able think, compared with more average ability or older pupils, for whom external regulation by the teacher often compensates for lack of internal regulation. So its answer is internal regulation. Next question is, metacognition involves children understanding their own learning strategies, as well as developing. Metacognition में बच्चों की अपनी learning strategies को समझना और ये चीज़ develop करना शामिल है. Let's see in the paragraph. Metacognition, which will include strategies of planning, monitoring, evaluation, and choice of what to learn. Emotional awareness is also part of metacognition. So its answer is emotional awareness. Next question is, teachers who rely on what is known as dash often produce sets of impressive grades in class tests. जो टीचर्स इस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करते हैं वो क्लास टेस्ट्स में impressive grades हासिल करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Conversely, teachers who have a tendency to overdirect can diminish their gifted pupils' learning autonomy, although spoon feeding can produce extremely high examination results. So its answer is spoon feeding. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.